Hello students, I am Mandeep Singh, your SST teacher. I hope you all are safe and fine. In the last videos, we discussed the unification of Germany, Italy and Britain. In the last videos, we discussed almost 70 to 80% of the chapter, but there are some individual questions which can be asked frequently. We will also clear that topics. In this session, we will discuss about the visualizing the nation. In this, we will discuss different allegories. What are allegories and different allegories like Christine Marine and Germania. What is visualizing the nation? Visualizing the nation. In the 18th and 19th centuries, artists represented a country as a person and nation as female figures. Means, in simple words, we can say how the nations are portrayed. Artists represented a country as a person and nation as female figures. Then, face of the nation. To represent a country, we need a face or symbol. For example, India's flag with tricolor and Ashoka Chakra in the center. Next is personification of nation, representing the nations as if it were person. For instance, we take an example of India. India's personification is done with Bharat Mata. We represent India as Bharat Mata. In the real sense, she is not a person who is existing in this world, she is just an imagination. Next is abstract idea. The idea, mostly described through female figures, these figures are used to portray ideas as liberty, justice, and the republic. For example, in India, Lady of Justice, which represent justice, a blindfolded woman carrying a pair of weighing scale. At the time of revolution, two allegories were made in Europe. These two allegories were created to strong the feeling of nationalism in people. These allegories were prominent to their country. First, we discuss France. In France, Christine Marien's image used as allegory to strong the feeling of nationalism in people. She is expressing the idea of nation. She expressed that the nation is not of any king. The France is people's nation. The nation is of people living in it. Do not think that the female really exists. She was only an imagination. On the basis of the imagination, the idea was constructed. She was also expressing the idea of liberty and republic, means it was used to express freedom and unity. Then people of France start to use as national symbol. Her image was marked on coins and stamps. Next is in case of Germany. In Germany, female figure is Germania, like the Christine Marion in France. In representation, she wears a crown of oak leaves, means the color of clothes of lady can be changed, but she is always wearing a crown of oak leaves and sword in one hand. You can see in image, German ox leaf stands for heroism, means oak leaves are used to represent heroism. I hope visualizing the nation is clear with you. Some frequently asked questions are: what is allegory? Define France and German's allegory. Why visualization is important? And last one is define personification. In the next video, we will discuss the last topic of this chapter, the Balkans. I hope I had made all the topic clear with you. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.